channel. So today I'm going to do my first impression on K Beauty's product, which recently my father has gifted me for my birthday. So I have bought all these stuff from Bareilly's Nykaa store, and I have went there and they have told me about what offers were going on K Beauty. So if you buy around 1500 of products, 1500 rupees of products, you're going to get a lip crayon or a lip pencil for free. But I have bought around 2000 rupees of products and I got a lip crayon free. And also guys, for this look I have used only and only K Beauty product. So stay tuned and see how I created this look with all the products which I have bought from K Beauty. So without any further ado, let's just get into the video. So I got all my products in this Nykaa bag, and as you can see my all products are there, and I just love what all I have bought, and I'm really excited to show you how I created this look. So first let's just talk about this K Beauty HD setting loose powder, which is enriched with avocado and mango butter, and I have bought the shade vanilla, and you can see that this comes into a minimal packaging, and the packaging looks so sturdy. As you can see, only K Beauty has written here. I don't know it's K Beauty or what, but this is their symbol, and this packaging is really nice. This is the plastic cap and this is the transparent glass, and you can see that there is a setting powder, how much quantity you are getting. So there is this sticker which has been sticked on this product, and you have to remove, and here you get the product. When you dab here, the product will come out, and it is a very finely blended powder, and it just melts into your skin. See, it just melts into my skin. तो वो केक ही नहीं करेगा हमारे फेस को, जैसे कि और बहुत सारे पाउडर्स केक ही कर देते हैं, हमारे सेटिंग पाउडर्स केक ही कर देते हैं हमारे फेस को. सो ये केक ही नहीं करेगा, और ये सच में बहुत अच्छा प्रोडक्ट है. अपार्ट फ्रॉम बीइंग कटरीना कैफ्स ब्रांड, इट्स is a very nice product. So this was the first product which I have bought from K Beauty. The next product which I have bought from K Beauty is this K Beauty illuminating highlighter, which is also enriched with avocado and mango butter. Can you see? And it is in the shade Sunlit Gold, and as you can see, it comes into this foam packaging. And see guys how sturdy the packaging is. So slim, so sturdy and really very nice. ये अपने मिरर के साथ आता है. इसका मिरर भी अच्छा खासा बड़ा है, बहुत ज़्यादा. ये फिल्म रिमूव करने के बाद ये इसका एक्चुअल प्रोडक्ट है, और ये इसका स्वॉच है गाइस. कैन यू सी द पिगमेंटेशन? I just really love the pigmentation. I have rose gold highlighter of Maybelline, and I wanted to try something in gold. So I bought this Sunlit Gold shade, and I just really love the shade. The packaging is also very nice, and highlighter will stay for a longer period of time, and I love the packaging. This will fit into my makeup bag, travel makeup bag, and there are a lot of number of shades in your setting powder as well as in your highlighter. So I have chosen this Sunlit Gold, and I have chosen vanilla in setting powder just because these shades match me like they are my second skin. So this was the highlighter which I have bought from K Beauty. This is the other product. Next up, these shades of K Beauty. I'm sorry, मैंने उल्टा पकड़ रखा था, और मैंने जैसे ही ये शेड्स देखे थे, I fell in love with the shades, और इनके साथ मुझे ये वाला शेड एज फ्री गिफ्ट रिसीव हुआ. येस गाइस, आई गॉट इट फॉर फ्री. सॉरी, मैंने इसको भी उल्टा पकड़ रखा है. ये मुझे फ्री गिफ्ट रिसीव हुआ था, एंड आई वाज रियली एक्साइटेड एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम कि मुझे एक फ्री गिफ्ट मिल रहा है, फ्री लिप क्रेयॉन विद ऑल द प्रोडक्ट्स आई एम बाइंग फ्रॉम K Beauty. So let's just talk about what I bought first, and then we'll talk about the free product. So the first product which I bought is this lip crayon in the shade Billboard. See the swatch guys, इतना ज़्यादा creamy pigmented है, और this pinky nude color is, I just love these pinky nude colors. ऐसे कलर्स मुझे बहुत 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 ज़्यादा पसंद है, और मेरे ज़्यादातर मेकअप वैनिटी में सिर्फ न्यूड कलर्स ज़्यादा मिलेंगे। दीज न्यूड्स आर माई फेवरेट और मैं ये न्यूड्स डेली बेसिस पे भी यूज़ करती हूँ, तो ये मुझे न्यूड्स बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है। सो दिस वॉज द फर्स्ट शेड विच आई बॉट फ्रॉम के ब्यूटी। द अदर इज द लिप पेंसिल विच इज के ब्यूटी मैट लिप पेंसिल विच इज enriched with chamomile plus marula oil. Lip crayon was also enriched with chamomile and marula oil, and this is their matte lip pencil, matte action lip pencil. And I'm going to open this pencil in front of you all. Pull sim sim. Now let's just see the shade. This is in the shade Hype, and I'm gonna swatch it up for you all and see. This is a very nice brownie nude. This is a pinky nude Billboard, and this is a brownie nude Hype lip pencil, and it is matte. As well as Billboard contains little bit of shimmer particles. बहुत थोड़े से shimmer particles हैं. So this was my next purchase from K Beauty. Let's talk about the product which I got free from K Beauty, and this is in the shade Faux Pas, and this is their matinee lip crayon which is enriched with chamomile and marula oil, and this is the shade. Let's just open this. ये तो खुल ही जाए एक ही बार में. Well, as my jewelry collection is pending, and I have shoot the video, but it's just editing part is left over, so I'll do that sooner because I have a lot of work. I was busy the last not 1 week, the last 15 days I was traveling 500 kilometers daily just because I have to go for my exam, as well as there is a stress of work, as well as there is stress in my personal life too. So there are a lot of things which is happening. That's why I haven't made any video, I haven't done anything, not edited any video. I am not in a good state of mind. So that's why I was not active, but now I am really active. I'm back with a bang, and I'm going to make a lot of content for my YouTube as well as my Instagram. This is my Instagram here, and you can go and follow there because I am putting a lot of different type of content over there. I'll leave the link of my Instagram and you can go and follow me there. I am going to upload a lot of things on YouTube, different things on YouTube, as well as I'm going to upload a lot of different things on my Instagram. So don't forget to follow me on Instagram and do subscribe to my this channel also. So guys, this was the free matinee lip crayon in the shade Faux Pas, and let's just see its swatch. Oh my God, ये तो बहुत 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 ज़्यादा अच्छा है. ये मैट है, इसमें थोड़ा शिमर है, ये मैट लिप पेंसिल है और ये मैट लिप क्रेयॉन है. I just love this lip crayon. Can you see the color? It's on my lips right now. I just love this color. Can you see? मुझे ऐसे lip shades बहुत पसंद है. This is very creamy. These all three lip crayons as well as the lip pencil is very creamy, pigmented, and it just glides on your lips like this. और अब मैं ज़्यादा बक नहीं करूँगी. Let's just move into the video and see how I created this look. So without buck, just move into the video. So guys, I am already done with my base. I have applied the foundation as well as the concealer, but now I have to set my face, and for that setting I am taking this K Beauty HD setting loose powder, which is the powder. You'll have to dab your brush in it, and you can see there is a lot of powder in it, and I will dust off the excess, and before applying this powder I will just dab with my beauty blender under my eye to remove all the creases which has been caused because I'm speaking. अच्छे से dab करने के बाद, now whatever amount of powder I have on this brush, I will take it and dab it around my eyes. Set my other eye. Set my forehead just because I have applied the concealer there, my nose, my upper lip. I just quickly come back after applying my bronzer. So guys, I have bought these two lip crayons from K Beauty. This is in the shade Faux Pas and this is in the shade Billboard. I don't know whether I'm pronouncing it correctly, but this is Faux Pas and this is Billboard. And I'm going to apply Billboard on my eyes as my eyeshadow. And I'm going to blend it with a brush. As you can see, it has given a very nice pinky shade. Can you see that pink color? It's really nice. It's really nice. Let me just do my other eye and gum. So guys, I'm done with my eye look. मैंने पूरा eye look complete कर लिया है, and then I have come in front of you all. और ये सारा कुछ कर लिया है मैंने. Now it's time for blush, and for blush I'm using same Billboard shade, and I'm going to apply it on my cheeks, on my nose, and on my chin. And I'm gonna blend it with the beauty blender. I'm using the lip crayon as a blush, and it looks so subtle and so soft on my cheeks, like I am having this kind of, you know, pinky glow from inside, and this looks like this. So guys, blush भी लगा लिया है. अब बारी है मेरे favorite part की, and that is highlighter. Now I wanted to apply this highlighter super fast on my cheeks. And I'm going to take the same brush from which I have applied my powder. I'm gonna dig it in, and can you guys see the subtle glow? It doesn't have that chunky particles, तो chunky particles नहीं है, लेकिन still it gives you a subtle glow. Can you guys see the glow it is giving on my cheeks? I am just loving it. अब जितने भी मेरे हाईएस्ट पॉइंट है, मैं सबको जो है हाईलाइट कर लेती हूँ. Even I want to highlight my nose. Nosy, get a highlight from K Beauty. And with the same highlighter, I'm going to highlight my inner corners. And my brow bone also. So now I'm going to apply the lip pencil, which is in the shade Hype, on my lips. This lip liner is enough to handle this looks game, but you know I am not minimal, so this is the lip liner actually. And now I'm going to apply the other lip crayon, which is in the shade Faux Pas, and I'm going to apply this shade on top of my lip liner, so that I may review all the products in one video only. Now let me just, you know, swipe it up on my lips. Can you guys see the pigmentation of the lip crayon? It's super amazing. I just love this lip crayon a lot. So by this I can say these all products by K Beauty, which is Katrina Kaif's brand, as well as इसकी price इतनी ज़्यादा affordable है. These all products have been gifted to me by my father for my birthday, and my birthday is really close, and I am going to announce something really special on 6th of October's video. So 6th of October is a lucky date, and I am going to announce something very special, something special news for you all, and something special news for me as well. So I'm going to announce something very special on 6th of October. So stay tuned for my 6th of October's video, and even I am really excited to tell you all what's going to happen on 6th of October. So this was it, guys. I hope you like my review, and if you like my review for all these products, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell which is down there, so whenever I upload a new video you will be notified. Till then guys, stay safe, stay healthy, stay beautiful and stay at home. Bye bye.